Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. Today I am replacing this warped cabinet door. I did get a new one, a replacement from Lowe's. So it's time to get it up there. And I just wanted to record to show you how I do it and how I replace this new one. Okay? So if you like stuff like this and you like DIY type of stuff, please stay tuned and watch. If you don't like it, that's okay too. Stay around and stick around so you can see this, replacing this warped cabinet. If you can see, it's not lining up here, and I've done everything. I've tried to replace, to tune it, or like to set it up with moving all these screws, try to line it up, but it wasn't working. I think I posted a video about it, but today I got the new cabinets, and so I'm gonna replace this one. And then return it to Lowe's if they ask me to. All right, here we go. So I got two cabinet doors that I need to replace. So this is one of them. It comes in a box like this with a bunch of styrofoams. It looks like this inside to make sure it doesn't, scratch or something. So they do a really good packaging. Okay. So it comes out of the box like that. It's all like covered. And I think this is the small one. This is the one that goes for the base cabinet. So it looks like that. This is for the one down here. All right. It looks straight. All right. So let me get the one that goes up here. So there's two boxes. So this is the big one that goes for the uppers. That one was for the base cabinet. So when you're cutting this, make sure you don't push too much. The blade can go and scratch your cabinet even before you install it. So you just be light when you're cutting through the box. All right. Same with this. So package really well. All this styrofoam stuff to make sure. All right, so this one goes here. This is gonna go right there, and I think this is a perfect colors. And if I put it here, you guys see this one is very flat. There's no like moving corners. That's how you know it's straight. All right, so I'm gonna remove this, and I'm still using the same hinges. So I'm gonna remove this side. Yeah. You could use your drill if you wanted to, but you gotta be gentle. Some of these things can go way too fast. Just gently remove the screws. So let me get something to step on really quickly. Be right back. Here you go. I gotta one of these 5-gallon buckets. All right. So there's like a hole right here. So this sometimes can stay. It doesn't fall out for you, but you still have to be very gentle to make sure it goes in here really tight. So just wiggle it a little bit and it should come off. So that side is out. And then so wiggle it a little bit and it should come off. There you go. So this is the one that's all messed up. It's warped. And put it up here for now. All right. So this is a little bit loose right there. So I'm gonna tighten up as soon as I put the cabinet. So basically the same idea. Just put back up and the top. Maybe it'd be easier to just remove the whole thing and then screw it on there. So I'll remove the whole hinge. Just start fresh. It was becoming difficult to put it back there. All right. So putting the hinge back in here. Use the same screws. Probably gonna use this. I don't have to mess it up. I use my just use it like a hand screwdriver like that. You could use a drill, but it's just the drill sometimes can go too far. So here we go, that one is in. 2 more screws for this side. So like I said in the other video, like you always make sure you check your cabinets when you receive them, because you're gonna find some doors that are not straight. I don't know why. Somebody was telling me that sometimes they build a ton of these cabinets and then store them in a storage for months and months. Sometimes they build them as you order them, but who knows? All right, so this is how it looks. So I put a hinge here and a hinge over here. These are the nice hinges that you can adjust. If you tighten this one, you can move it up and down this way, and you can try to adjust it to line up everything. All right. So I'm gonna start with the top one up there. Just put it here just in case you need them. Climb on my 5-gallon bucket, and then that one holds it there. That one is in, and then this one here. All right. So once you get the door on here, that's when you adjust. Wish me like that. This I don't have to do so much adjustment. It was close. I just need to put this sticky stuff. The little bumper. That's pretty good. So I have to just do a little bit of adjustment, and I should be good. I'm gonna have to buy some of this later, because these ones are not gonna be as sticky. All right, so see, what do you guys think? It's super close to lining up, so it's not warped at all. So I just need to line up this one a little bit. So I'm adjusting the door at one side. All right, so that one is good. That one is good. That's perfect. There we go. That's lined up, guys. That's perfect, just not whooped. There it is. So that's how you replace a whooped door. So this one is pretty lined up here. I just need to move this up a little bit. And then we should be good. There you go. Watch straight. There you go. It's level. It's level. Turn this a little bit out. There it is. Straight. All right, so guys, that's how you replace. It's level right here, and it's level everywhere. This bump is a little too high, but it looks good. This one is, I just need to put a bigger bumper right here, because this one is all messed up. But everything looks good. I can try to adjust here a little bit. There you go. A little more. There you go, guys. Level. Flush. So that one is in place. So this one was there. Let me put it here so you guys can see. If you put this right here on a flat surface, just look at that. If you turn it around, look. No, the other one was flush, okay? So this one is not flush. That's why it wasn't straight. So remove that one. I'm returning that one. You guys can see it right there. All right, so that's how you replace your cabinet door. So that one is done. So I'm gonna give you an example. This one is, if you put it here on a flat counter, it won't stay right there. Watch this one. This one is straight. This is the new one that I just got. Look how that's straight. This one is so straight. Right? It's a little bent right here, but not too bad. I can adjust by replacing that one. Okay? So I'm replacing this one on the bottom here with this one. Okay? So just wanted to share with you guys how to replace a cabinet door, and that's it. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment down there in the comment section. Please hit that thumb, subscribe, and like my video. You have a good one. Bye.